Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can add transitions to your reels on Instagram. So let's get right into it. Now, what I'm going to do first is I'm going to go and enter the reel creation menu and I'm going to try something new for a change. I'm going to just record a small video. This is just something I'm trying out for myself. But once you record the video and click on the arrow to go next, you can start editing your video. Swipe up or click on edit video, and as you can see, now I have this editing space right here. If I click here, I can record another video if I so chose, and once I'm done with that, as you can see, now I have two videos in my lineup. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on one of these white sort of separators, either at the beginning or the end of the reel or in between the clips, and this is going to allow me to choose a transition. I'm going to choose flare because that's the only one that's visible on a white background or on a black background, and you can click done. Now you can apply it just to one segment, or if you choose a segment, you can apply it to all, and then all segments will have that transition. But for the middle, I'm going to keep the flare. And now that that's there, let me just go ahead and play you the video. And as you can see, when it transitions in between clips, it's going to show that white flash, which is the flare. And once you're done, all you have to do is just click next. And now you can continue setting up your reel, edit the cover photo, tag people, add location, etc. And you can also create audio if you want to, or add different audio. But I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to, exit out of this since I don't need it in my drafts. But pretty sure you get the memo. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.